In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use resolution field in Jira Workflows. The resolution field is what tells Jira an issue is truly finished. Reports like created versus resolved and many dashboards rely on it. If you move an issue to done without setting a resolution, Jira still treats it as unresolved. So we'll do two things. Set a resolution when issues move to a completed status and clear it if an issue is reopened. Start by opening your Jira settings. Click the settings icon, then select work items from the menu. On the left sidebar, click Workflows. Find the workflow you want to edit and click Edit to open the workflow editor. You'll be working in a draft until you publish, which is safe for making changes without affecting users immediately. Next, select the transition that moves issues to a completed status. This is often something like in progress to done or testing to closed. Click that transition, then open the post functions or validator section. To ensure a resolution is always recorded, add either a post function that sets the resolution field automatically, or attach a transition screen that includes the resolution field so users select it during the transition. If you choose a post function, pick a consistent value such as done, fixed, won't fix, duplicate, or cannot reproduce. Use values that match your team's workflow and reporting needs. If you choose a screen, make sure the resolution field is on it and clearly labeled so users can't skip it. After setting this up, save the configuration so the change is stored in your draft. Now handle the reopen path. Select the transition that reopens issues, for example, closed to reopened. Add a post function to clear resolution field. This step ensures that once an issue is reopened, it no longer appears as resolved in reports. Save these changes as well. When you're happy with the updates, publish the workflow. Click Save Draft to confirm your edits, then click Publish Draft to apply them to the live workflow. Publishing makes the changes available to all issues using this workflow, so it's a good idea to coordinate with your team and, if possible, publish during a quieter time. That's it. By setting a resolution on closing transitions and clearing it on reopen transitions, your Jira data will be accurate, your reports will make sense, and your team will avoid the common done but unresolved problem.